Yan, hello everyone. Ito na ulit tayo sa ating kusina. Papakita ko sa iyo yung iluluto ko mamaya na ating sabaw ulit. This is for our soup, pork meat. And yan, dalawang apple at dalawang pear. Yan ang ilalagay natin sa soup natin. And before, we need to blanch again the meat before we put together. So, ayan po ang napakasimpleng ingredients para sa ating sabaw mamaya. I hope you enjoy watching, and later I will show you the process, and it is very simple. Anyway, just blanch the meat and then put it together and then boil for 1 hour. So, after 1 hour, okay na siya. So, yan po guys. I'll show you later. Ayan, nakat natin yung meat blanch natin. For blanching, yan, papakulaan natin yung tubig sa pan. So, ayan, na-blanch natin. At habang nagba-blanch, ikakat natin yung apple at saka pear. Ganyan ko siya kinakat. Ayan, nakat natin yung apple at pear. Ito naman, hugasan natin yung meat na i-blanch natin. Saka natin pagsabay-sabay yung ilagay. So, ayan, nahugasan na natin. Antayin na lang natin na kumulo yan before we put together. Ayan, kumukulo siya. So, ilagay natin yung meat. Tsaka itong apple and pear. Ayan, sabay silang maluto. So, ayan po guys, iluto natin ito ng 1 hour. And diyan lalabas yung linamnam ng soup natin. So, I will end up here. I hope you enjoy watching, and God bless everyone. See you on my next vlog.